Hiya everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration and review of this Washmatic toy washing machine. Now, and it's made by Casting up there. I mean down there, sorry. And this washer is about 1 year old. And I've had it for about probably say 11 days or so. I'm not quite sure. But I've got this for my birthday, and Nana bought me this, and so a big thank you to Nana. So anyway, so let's get on with the review, shall we? We'll first start off with the drum, and then I'll show you the buttons and the door that it has, and then for you washing machine fans, and I'm going to put a load on. Anyway, this is the drum, the Washmatic washing machine drum, which is basically the same drum as the hot point, if you can see. I'll just open the drum so you can see. It's the same drum. It's the same drum in there. And basically, that one's Washmatic, and then that one's hot point. This spins normally. Let me show you. I'll show you. There we go. There we go, it spins. We'll just have a look around it. I'll just take the basket out. Here's the side of it. Back. And you've got your little speaker down there. You got your battery box here. And then your hand crank. And if the batteries are worn out, well then you can use that hand crank to turn the drum inside it. So that's pretty cool. Here's the other side of it. Let's have a look at the control panel. So here's the Washmatic door. So it has main wash, softener, and then pre-wash. There's the Washmatic Washmatic. Anyway, so onto the buttons, we have fill, wash, eco wash, and then spin. And basically, what eco wash means is that, and he will do a tumble for about 4 or 5 seconds. I'm not quite sure what that button does, but yeah, and if you guys know it out there, well then, and just put it and down in the comments section, and then I would know what that button means, eco wash. Anyway, the fill feature, it basically fills the machine up with water, and then wash, it basically turns the drum, and eco wash, like I've said, I think it does a tumble up every about 10 seconds, I mean 5 seconds or 4 seconds or whatever, and then spin, it turns the whole drum around, so that's pretty cool. And so now it's time to put a wash load on. So today I'm just going to do tissues for this wash. Get in. that's all the tissues. Make sure it's all spaced out. I've got the detergent, and we're using automatic washing powder. I've never done a review of this washer before. It's my first time of review of this machine. I'm going to add about 5 spoonfuls. There we go. What the program that we're going to use today is a 30-degree wash with a 1400 RPM spin. So here we go. Oh, first the power's on, and then fill. I will give it a little tumble first before I add any more water. You can see a little bit of a water level, can't you? Yep, it's at 30 degrees. Oh, drain. First spin. This is for the rinse, this one. Drain. Final spin. Done. Let me just take the washing out. Anything else? No, it's all empty. And so basically, and that was the review and demonstration of the Washmatic toy washing machine. Now, basically, I will see you in my next episode. And next week, I will be doing a video about my glow in the dark spinner. And Sally, and that will be next week, guys. But I hope you so I hope you enjoy that. And like I've said with any other video, and make sure to leave a comment down below.